As someone who has personally experienced the debilitating effects of insecurity, I recognize the profound connection between body image, self-esteem, and overall well-being. This personal lens shaped me to investigate the prevalence and impact of body image concern and self-esteem challenges among teachers, hoping to identify ways to create more supportive and inclusive atmosphere for all. That's why I came up to this title, analyzing the relationship between body self-image and self-esteem among teachers in Cagayan National High School. In the United States, there is a concerning prevalence of low self-esteem among adults. Shockingly, nearly 85% of Americans grapple with low self-esteem. The causes of such low self-esteem are deeply personal and often stem from a variety of traumas and life experiences. In Payao Province, Thailand, 61.5% of adults have moderate and 58.5% have low self-esteem due to changing roles and relationships, is mirroring concern about self-esteem impact on social and behavioral well-being, often defined as self-perception and attitudes, and linked to social support and self-worth. In Bohol, 49.41% of individuals have low self-esteem, highlights a disconnect between individuals' ability to handle difficulties and their belief in their own worth. In Davao del Norte, particularly in Cagayan National High School, teachers have problems about body perception affect their self-worth. In our research objective, we want to describe the level of body self-image in terms of overall appearance evaluation, fatness evaluation, attention to grooming, health fitness evaluation, health fitness influence, social dependence, height dissatisfaction, negative effect, and investment in ideas. Second, to describe the level of self-esteem in terms of performance self-esteem, social self-esteem, and appearance self-esteem. Third, to determine the significant relationship between body self-image and self-esteem of a teachers. Lastly, fourth, to determine which domain of body self-image significantly affect the self-esteem of a teachers. In our hypothesis, there is no significant relationship between body self-image and self-esteem of a teachers. Second, there is no domain in body self-image significantly affect the self-esteem of teachers. In our theoretical framework, we have three, which is objectification theory, tripartite influence model, and self-determination theory. So first, I'm going to discuss objectification theory. Objectification theory suggests that those with less power are more vulnerable to being viewed as object, impacting body image and self-esteem negatively, while power and self-determination may buffer against this objectification and its negative consequences. The tripartite influence model explains how peers, parents, and media, through societal pressures and media portrayals of beauty standards, significantly shape an individual's body image, potentially leading to negative outcomes like body dissatisfaction and disordered eating. So our last theory is self-determination theory, posits that fulfilling the basic psychological needs of autonomy, competence, and relatedness fosters motivation and well-being, indirectly impacting self-esteem through enhanced feelings of self-efficacy and agency within supportive and social context. This study will make use of the quantitative, non-experimental design with the descriptive correlational technique to examine the relationship between two variables. The research will be conducted in the district of Asuncion, Davao del Norte. As indicated by the 2020 census, it has a populace of 61,893 individuals with a land region of 297.39 kilometers squared. The municipality is made up of 20 barangays, The District of Asuncion was made of 5 clusters among all primary schools in the locale as indicated by the district planning team. The teacher currently assigned to Sagayan National High School will be the respondent in this investigation. The total population of respondent is 81. Sagayan National High School teachers exhibit a very high level of body self-image with a grand mean of 4.63, with all 9 indicators showing a high mean score, suggesting positive perception and potential benefits for their well-being and teaching effectiveness. As you can see to our table, the overall appearance evaluation has a mean of 4.51 with a description level of very high. Also, the fatness evaluation has a mean of 4.61, attention to grooming 4.52, health fitness evaluation 4.35, health fitness influence 4.47, social dependence 4.52, height dissatisfaction 4.51, negative effect 4.60, investment in ideas 4.57, and also our grand mean is 4.63, and their description level is all the same, which is very high. To our level of self-esteem, in Sagayan National High School, teachers show a very high self-esteem with an average of 4.52, particularly in social self-esteem with a mean of 4.57 and performance self-esteem 4.53, indicating a strong self-worth and confidence. To our table, our performance self-esteem has a mean of 4.53, social self-esteem 4.57, appearance self-esteem 4.52, and our grand mean is 4.52. And the description level of all of these is also very high. To our table 3, our independent variable, we have body self-image, dependent variable, self-esteem. Our R value is 0.89. The correlation is a very strong correlation. Our R squared is 0.792 or 0.792. Our P value is 0.00. So our decision on hypothesis is rejected because on our p-value is 0.00. So the conclusion on relation is significant, indicating that positive body image significantly contributes to a higher self-esteem among individuals. In my table 4, as you can see that all of my indicators has a p-value of 0.00. The decision is rejected, and also the conclusion on relationship is significant. So the positive body self-image strongly correlates with higher teacher self-esteem, suggesting that promoting a body acceptance, self-care, and challenging appearance-based professional expectation can improve teachers' overall well-being and job satisfaction. So, on our summary of finding is the level of body self-image among teachers has an overall mean of 4.63 with a descriptive equivalent of very high. Second, the level of self-esteem among teachers has an overall mean of 4.52 and also the same as on body self-image, we have a descriptive equivalent of very high. Third is there is a statistically significant relationship between body self-image and self-esteem of teachers, as indicated by a probability of value of 0.00 and a significance level of 0.05, leading to the rejection of our null hypothesis. So fourth, in statistical terms, there is significant evidence to reject the idea that the self-esteem of teacher is not impacted by body self-image, as the calculated probability value of 0.00 is lower than the commonly accepted level of significance 0.05. So our conclusion is the level of body self-image is very highly evident The level of self-esteem also is very highly evident. Third is there is a significant relationship between body self-image and self-esteem. Lastly, fourth, positive body perception, professional competence, supportive work environment, and healthy lifestyle choices are significant in predicting the self-esteem of teachers in relation to their body self-image. Recommendation: assesses teachers' health, provide feedbacks, and offer intervention to improve health and reduce disease risk. Second, challenges beauty standards, promotes body positivity, and encourages students and teachers to value their unique qualities. Integrated with NSHP. Third, consult a professional for a health assessment and personalized fitness plan, especially crucial for those with pre-existing condition. Fourth, regularly assess body self-image and self-esteem, especially during life changes to monitor progress, make timely adjustment, and prevent distress. Fifth, teachers should prioritize self-care including exercise, mindful eating, stress reduction, and social connection to maintain positive body image and well-being, and better support students. 6. School must foster inclusive environments to prevent body shaming, provide wellness resources, and promote respect for all. Lastly, schools should support teachers in developing healthy body relationship through self-compassion, self-care resources, and inclusive environments. Thank you for listening.